Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to set up your Atomic Wallet for PC and Mac. First, open up Atomic Wallet's website. The link will be in the description below. Once you're on the page, click Download. Choose the operating system you are on and save the download. Once you're done downloading, click on the file. Once your download is complete, Atomic Wallet should just pop up. You're now going to click New Wallet. Enter a password that you will remember. Once you have entered your password, press Set Password. Now the 12-digit recovery phrase will show. Please write down the phrase on paper, as this is the only way you will be able to recover your wallet in the off chance you lose it. Once you have written it down, press Open Wallet. You have successfully opened your Atomic Wallet.